What up? What up? It's your boy Rail. I'm back. Another 8 Bars challenge. I think this is what, 3, 4, but fuck. It don't even matter though. Just know if you don't feel it, fuck you. Check me out. Pushing the gears till I blow both engines on the Bugatti. Hop out where you hang and knock chunks out your fucking body. The shot is for close range. Most times I don't aim cause I'm guaranteed to hit like a wet bitch. I pray I never have a daughter cause most girls I was with I caused them pain and I would hate to see her suffer from the pain that I caused them. That's cause and effect. The bomb of the tech. Better take your pick quick faggots, but either way it's gonna be a closed casket. Snatch the mic from the greatest rapper, then hop in the booth and shit till I buy out the biggest company selling Pampers. Kill your father and take your mother for ransom. And after you make the drop, we're gonna spend a weekend in the Hamptons. When I was young, I used to whine to my mother. Now I'm sipping fine wine with my mother. Shit, now I chillin' ground with my brother. Give me a beat, I go in the booth and make it melt like hot butter. This is Master Splinter versus Shredder. I'm rare like a thunderstorm in the desert. I'm hotter than a nigga in Africa wearing a sweater. Shit, I guess she thought that other guy was better. Now she blowing up my phone, but I don't even sweat her. Laughing at you fuck niggas like I'm reading comics. Got your girl hooked like a fish, you thought I was about to say phonics. My money talks proper, yours like a slurred speech. Long chain with black and white diamonds looking like I got a zebra on the leash. Looking through the scope, bitch nigga, I see you. And I'm sicker than all, just built a booth in the ICU. Rocking your Fitzgerald jersey, I'll knock a 1 off your 11. I'm praying somebody pray these prayers, I'm praying make it to heaven. If the cops get behind me, I'ma make this crew crawl the city like a spider. I'm cayenne pepper mixed with lava fire, meaning I'm too hot to even speak about cause that line alone probably filled your mouth with saliva. Screaming fuck the world till I got that bitch knocked up. I spit prison bars, you would even think Free Willy locked up. Yeah. Fuck with the kid. Shout out to my nigga DJ Lunatic, Slim Gutter. Yeah, y'all fuck with me.